My grandfather started the business in 1937 with a beat-up pickup truck, a toolbox, and a vision. We're still here, serving the community and carrying on that vision that he started 9 decades ago. Most of you probably know what we do: heating and air conditioning, delivering fuel oil, propane, and everything in between. Some of you probably even know how we do it, and that's through our awesome employees, how we invest in their training so that they're better at their jobs every day. But I would like to share with you exactly why I do it. Since the 6th grade, I worked here. But one service call really, truly opened my eyes. The lady who owned the house said, "I'll never forget the winter my husband lost his job, and your grandfather told us we didn't have to pay for the heating oil to heat our house until we were able to." But then she said something that totally blew me away. She said, and I still never met the man. At that point, I was only 13 years old, and I had no idea how different our company was than other heating and air conditioning companies. It made me feel so proud that that's the type of thing we stood for and we believed in, that people in our community, when they fell on hard times, we helped them get back on their feet. My grandfather knew taking care of the people in his community was an important thing, but he also knew the most important thing is your employees. Without your employees, a company's absolutely nothing. So we haven't stopped investing in their personal training, in their well-being, just trying to be the best versions of themselves when they come to work every day and work in and around your house. You can get a hold of us 24 hours a day. And you're going to talk to a human, and one of our awesome technicians is going to come out, show you what's wrong with your system, let you know how much it's going to cost, and give you an idea how quickly we can fix it. If you don't have heat, we're going to come out and fix it that day. If you have air conditioning, we're going to come out and fix that. If you need a water heater installed, we're going to be there. Whatever time works best for you, we're going to try and work with your schedule. You're going to have the peace of mind that when our people are working in your house, that you don't have to worry, that they're going to take care of your problem, and they're going to treat your house like it was their own. I've lived in this area my whole life. I love it. As soon as I got out of college, I moved back here, I got married, and I started a family. Ever since then, I have never, ever looked back or regretted coming to work here. Every day we try to just be better versions of what we were yesterday and keep moving forward and be the best type of company that we can be working together. That's exactly why I work here.